Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics that matter now. Make sure airplane mode is off and cellular data is enabled, because that often fixes the issue instantly. Next, remove and reset the SIM. If it's loose, the phone can't register. Once done, power cycle the device. A restart forces re-registration with towers and clears transient software faults. Also look at the signal bars and carrier name. That tells you whether the phone sees a network or is isolated. You proceed to deeper diagnostics. Open the carrier app or phone diagnostics to capture error codes. These guide the fix. If codes aren't helpful, reset network settings. This clears Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular profiles to remove corrupt configs. Make sure carrier settings and the OS are up to date, because mismatches break authentication. If problems persist, test a different SIM in your phone or place your SIM into a second. You finish by contacting your carrier. Provide account details, the error codes you collected, and the steps you already tried, and request a network refresh or re-provisioning. If the carrier confirms no outage and hardware still fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This rules out stubborn software corruption. Make sure to document persistent errors for escalation. If you need immediate connectivity, enable Wi-Fi calling or use a portable hotspot while the carrier resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.